So this is Flying Brick, Cape Town. One of our premium dealers for Takana in South Africa. And I'm going to show you what their shop looks like on the inside. So this is Flying Brick. They've been here since, I don't know, how long have you guys been here?
13 years.
13 years. Right, so that's Jan, Joshua and Andre. So they're the guys running the show around here. So everybody's here. There's Takana, I'll show you now. There's Enduristan, there's Kriga, there's all these other brands that we're not allowed to sell. So they've been it's an institution in Cape Town. They've got a small workshop to fix and fit tires and stuff. There's the entire Takana stand, Liquimoly. It's a very nice shop. There's, man, it's you get the picture. There's SP Connect and Oxford stuff. I'll get there now, Mr. Boss. All this other stuff, and they've got Hondas, T7s, Triumphs, all the stuff for them. And then they've got clothing, helmets, and that's Renette. She's one of the owners. And so this is Flying Brick in Cape Town, and this is Mr. Flying Brick himself, Chris. That's him. So yeah, now you know who's Flying Brick in Cape Town.